Winter roads claim thousands of lives every year. Slippery ice, dangerous skids, traditional plows and salt just aren't enough anymore. But what if we could melt snow and ice instantly, cleanly, endlessly, with zero emissions? Conventional methods harm the environment, damage vehicles and require constant refueling. Salt pollutes rivers. Plows can't keep up. Cities spend billions, yet accidents still rise. We need a smarter, greener solution. Meet CIMES, Compressed Inverted Magnetic Energy Source, from U.S. Patent 11,739 400B2. No fuel, no emissions, no batteries to charge. Like poles of powerful magnets face each other in a precision conical design. Under compression, repulsion creates continuous rotational torque, driving a shaft that powers a high-efficiency generator. It's clean, perpetual energy based on fundamental physics, action and reaction in perfect harmony. Picture this, a rugged service truck powered entirely by CIMES. The motor spins a generator, delivering steady electricity to an array of precision lasers mounted on the underside. As the truck moves, targeted laser energy melts snow and ice right where it's needed. Highways, bridges, city streets, no chemicals, no refueling, no environmental damage. Sensors ensure safe, efficient operation, clearing paths instantly and safely. The impact is massive, dramatically safer winter travel, potentially reducing ice-related accidents by up to 90%, zero emissions, helping cities meet green goals, massive cost savings, no fuel, no salt purchases, lower maintenance, scalable technology, from municipal fleets to autonomous winter maintenance. CIMES isn't just a motor, it's the future of clean, on-demand power. This is more than a concept, it's patented, proven physics ready for the real world. Join the revolution, make winters safer, build a greener tomorrow. Learn more about CIMES technology today. The road ahead just got a whole lot clearer.